order, it arrives for 200 years. Waiting, Aramex arrived. This is the delivery in Saudi Arabia. Hello guys, good evening. This time we will unbox. I have a box arrived today from Dubai. I ordered it from Otaku. Otaku is a hobby shop in Dubai. They sell Tamiyas, they sell mechas, Gundams, and other many supplies, many things, toys. I will. Can you help me unbox now my what's this? My new order. I ordered this one because during the lockdown, they have a 50% discount. That's why I have this one. Let's check it out. So this is my box, my friends. First, sanitize. Maybe I'm sorry. This is almost more than 2 months. I wait for this one for more than 2 months. I thought it will never arrive. This is the box. From Otaku. By the way guys, Otaku is based from Dubai. Too much bubble plastic. Don Bedro, Ibn Riyadh, blah 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 blah, Aramex. Italieri commando car. It's small one. But this is big. The hemp gun truck, also Italieri. We will check what's the inside, guys. It's unboxing the box. Double unboxing. The decals. Italieri brand is from, well, of course, Italieri from Italy. The manual is not in English. It's in, I have English, Italy, Denmark, Spain, France. What's this NL? Whoa! I feel excited to build this one. The scale of the Italieri, guys, is 1:35. This is the truck. This is the carried truck, cargo truck. But they convert it into a work truck. I bought this one maybe 100 real. Something like that. This is big. See the parts? It has a good timing because tomorrow is my last day of work and I will start building this one. And I will show you from this one. I will show you from assemble up to painting. And we will check this one. This commando car without infantry, without miniatures, without soldiers. This is small one. I think this commando car, the brand of commando car is Kennedy. I think it's Kennedy. Warning, to avoid suffocation, please keep this bag away from babies and children. Achung! Bit halten sidjekjakan. I don't know how to speak German. So, still the brand Italieri. Still the brand is Italieri. And scale is 1:35. Commando car. Okay guys, the commando car and the H.E.M.M.T. What is the meaning of H.E.M.M.T? I will check. Wait. I have an internet cafe here in my room. H.E.M.M.T. truck. HEMTT. HEMTT stands for Heavy Expanded Mobility Tactical Truck. Aha! Expanded Mobility Tactical Truck. 8-wheel drive. So it's very good. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I show you my HEMTT and my commando car. Next, maybe next time I will show you how to assemble this one and paint this one. The assembling part is not so difficult, but the painting part is a little bit technical. So thank you, and we'll see again each other in the next vlog.